I got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is July's edition of Lookfantastic. And this is what the box looks like this month, a gorgeous gold and black design. Really, really nice. So if you're new to Lookfantastic, as always, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month, and that includes your postage and packaging, and you can cancel any time. Now you can opt for 2, 3, 6, possibly, 12-month subscriptions, and that brings the cost down by a couple of pounds. It always comes out roughly the first week of the month. It contains around 6 items in every box. It also has a free Elle subscription magazine included as well, which I really like. I love the boxes, I love the packaging. If you're really, really into your skincare, I think this is the box for you. It tends to be more skincare heavy. They do contain makeup items, but generally it's more of a skincare type box. From what I gather anyway. I've been subscribing to Lookfantastic since around November time last year, and I do enjoy receiving these boxes. I just love them, and I keep them. I keep every single one of these boxes. I just think they always look really smart, and they contain a lot of my masks and things like that. So yeah, so you get a mix of skincare products. They tend to be quite high-end brands, so you do get quite a bit of samples in there, but they're good samples. You're not going to get little sachets. Well, I hope you won't. Unless there's something in here. So I have got a refer a friend code, so I will link that down below. I will link down the link to this subscription box and the Lookfantastic website, so if you're interested in signing up or just having a look, then click on the show more, and that will bring up the description and all the details, and also all the details of the items inside this box with an overall cost, with if it's a full size sample, etc. It'll all be written down there, so I fill up my information description part with lots of information, so check that out if you want to. So let's open it up. So inside every box you get a little mini magazine like this, and it's in here, it tells you all about like products that have just been released on Lookfantastic. Oh, I forgot to say, Lookfantastic also are a online shopping site. Then they sell a ton of makeup, beauty, hair care, you name it, loads and loads of items, and also they're worldwide. So Lookfantastic is just not a UK based box, it is a worldwide box, and they also sell products worldwide as well. So inside this magazine, as I said, you will see lots of information about products that are just coming out onto their website. So also you get information in here about all the products that are inside this box, so it gives you a bit of a lowdown about what they are. So as I mentioned at the start, you get an Elle subscription as well, a free magazine, which is there. So this is £4.40, so you get this every single month. It's a magazine, and this is what it looks like inside. It's smartly packaged. I'll just show you quickly. Now, I don't know what's inside these boxes. I pay for this box myself, and I like to have a spoiler. So I just put the items down to the side, and as I always do, I'll just pick them up, have a look, show you, and give you a bit of a read, a bit of background information about the product. So the first item is a Kerastase Shampoo Multi-Protector, and this is K Reflection, and it's an 80ml. So this is, I would say, a travel size, maybe, quite a big one. Quite a nice size to take away for a weekend away or something. It smells really nice. Really, really nice. Oh, I've just dropped the lid and it's right down the other end, and I can't get it because this room is tiny and it's jam-packed with lots of things, so I'm just gonna have to show you what it looks like without the lid on while I find information in the book. So in these books they don't tell you the price or whether it's full size or sample, so I'm guessing this is like a deluxe travel size or a travel size. Reflection Bay Chromatic Shampoo, suitable for all hair types. This shampoo contains vitamin E and UV filters, defending hair against antioxidant aggressors and premature colour fading. Also infused with linseed oil, popular for protecting the appearance of hair's colour intensity. Oh, this sounds perfect for my hair actually. I always have problems with colour fade. Being not a natural ginger, I have to dye it. Well, I don't have to, but I dye my hair roughly every 6 weeks, and it does fade quite a bit. So no, I'm really looking forward to trying that product actually. So the next item is a Lancer. This is quite a high-end brand. I don't think I've ever had a Lancer product before, but this is an Omega Hydrating Oil, and this is a 15ml. So that's what that looks like there. This lightweight balancing oil with 10% ferment complex delivers essential hydration, fatty acids, polyphenols and antioxidants to the skin, promoting a softer, healthier looking complexion for all skin directions. Warm a few drops of oil in the palm of your hand and apply evenly to the face, neck and décolletage. So when would you apply it? In what routine? Because I've got like a 5-step skincare type routine. How would I incorporate it? So, oh, it's an oil. So even though it's teeny tiny, that should last quite a while because you only need a tiny bit really, because an oil goes a long way. So I'll just pop that back in the box and I'll see what the information says. This nourishing blend of fermented oils include argan, olive, ginkgo and licorice help lock in moisture, softening the look of fine lines and leaving the skin with a dewy glow. That sounds wonderful. And it just says exactly what I've just read now. Add 2 drops of the oil into your daily moisturiser in the morning for added hydration. Oh, great tip. Right, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a few drops in my moisturiser. So now I'm quite excited to try that as well. Next item is a Filorga, and it's a UV Bronze Nutri-Soothing Tan Booster Gel, and it's for face and body, and it's DHA self-tanning agent free tan stimulator. Ooh, that sounds interesting. It's quite a big size as well, whether this is like a travel size or a deluxe mini. It's a 50 mils, or it could even be a full size. I'm not going to try it just in case it is a fake tan and I don't want a brown patch on my hand. So, oh, it's after sun. Okay, a triple action gel to oil formula with a light and refreshing texture that pacifies and calms the skin after a tanning session by the pool. Enriched with argan, apricot, almond and avocado oil, hyaluronic acid and an amino acid complex, the formula contains all the essentials to nourish and intensely moisturise the skin. Say hello to sun-kissed glow. And it just says put it on face and body that have been exposed to the sun. Use as a daily moisturiser when on holiday, no matter whether you have tanned or burnt, to ensure all-round protection and smooth skin. Oh, I wish I had this box before I went. I left on the 3rd of July. I bet I had it like the next day. Never mind. It would have been lovely in Greece. It would have been lovely. Next we've got something super tiny. It's a Serbia Clear Gel Moussant SVR, and it's purifying and exfoliating soap-free cleanser. So this is a 10 ml, so I'm assuming this is just a little sample. That's what that looks like there. So it says a soap-free cleanser that purifies and unclogs the skin gently. Its creamy foam eliminates impurities and excess sebum without drying out the skin, leaving the skin perfectly clear, fresh and matte. Apply to wet skin, lather and rinse. Make sure you dampen your face with lukewarm water. Don't expose your skin to extreme temperatures as it can cause irritation. It sounds quite a nice product, and yeah, no, I'll give it a go. It's more for, I'd say, combination skins, combination to oily maybe, but I've got normal combination, but I'll give it a go anyway. It doesn't seem as if it's that full, in all honesty. I'm not sure. I've got a Velux window right above me, but I'm not sure. It looks like it's only half full. I don't know. No, it could be just the bottle. But no, I'll give that a go. Next item. Oh, I've got another face cleanser. Now this one's a bigger one, and it's a brand that I have used and I do like it. But why another face cleanser? That's a bit odd, isn't it? Putting 2 in a box. But this is by Pure Skin, and it's an antioxidant booster, removes surface oils, makeup, dirt and grime, safe for sensitive skin. And it's Fab First Aid Beauty, and that's the brand, that's the name of the brand. And this is a 28.3 gram tube. I've had a micellar makeup remover, and I can't remember where. I think it was in a glossy box recently, or one of their special edition ones. I can't remember now, but no, it's really nice. I really like it. So yeah, this is by First Aid Beauty, and it says this unique pH balanced formula is filled with a range of antioxidants which works for even the most sensitive skin. It clears your face, neck and décolletage, leaving you fresh, makeup free and with a more even looking complexion. Use this cleanser morning and night to a wet complexion and massage into your skin using your fingertips. Remove with a mitt or a cloth and rinse thoroughly. So no, that's quite a nice product, but it is such a shame, in all honesty, that there's 2. That would have been, I don't know, that could be like a £60 or £100 product, I'm not quite sure, and it could be like absolutely amazing with them fab reviews, I don't know, but it seems a bit odd that there's 2 cleansers in the box. It would have been nice to have something different. But there you go. So there you go. So we have got one item left, and it is a makeup product by Doce. Doce, is that how you pronounce it? Doce. Doce. And it's a Fermented highlighter. Ooh, that's what the outer packaging looks like. And you can see this. You add them to a palette. So they just open up like this. And this looks really nice actually. It's like a taupey gold little shimmer. Let's put some on my hand. Oh, that is nice. That is really, really nice. I'm not sure how much you'll see on the camera. It's just there. But then, oh, that's really nice. So it's a Fermented Highlighting Mono Sparkle Ray. This amazing Fermented highlighter from Doce in shade Sparkle Ray will give you a natural shimmer, leave you ready to glow and will suit most skin tones. Enlighten your complexion. This super velvety smooth highlighter will blend dreamily and accentuate your natural features. And it says dampen your highlighter brush just before use to create an even more metallic glow. So yeah, so there's all the items there. Hopefully you can see them. There's 6 items inside this box. They don't give you a price, so I'm not sure how much this box is worth at this point, but afterwards, after I've done the editing and things, I will look online and I will link it all down below, and I'll give you an estimated cost of what they cost altogether. But yeah, so this is what was inside July's Lookfantastic. Not a wow box for me this month. I normally absolutely adore Lookfantastic. These items are not bad by no means, but not super exciting. I think with this after sun, I think it's because I've just come back from my holiday and I'm not going to go to anywhere now for a very, very long time, but then it's hot in the UK, isn't it? So I will try it. It'd be quite nice. A shampoo I'm really looking forward to using, and this Lancer hydrating oil, it sounds really nice. And yeah, this again, and the cleanser and the highlighter, they're okay products. They're not bad products at all, and I might fall in love with them once I've tried them, but it's not a wow, not initially a wow box for me. But what's your thoughts? Have you received a Lookfantastic for this month? I'd love to read what your thoughts are, what you like and what you don't like, etc. So if you like this unboxing, as always, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, and make sure you click that notifications bell so that you don't miss a video. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.